everyone. Today I got my girlfriend a Dimoo World cable charger from Mart. So she's gonna open it today. You can save the box or you can start it from right here. Right here. And open to see what you got, which character you got. Let me see, you can also, you know how to open that one, babe. Let's see. Let me see, the doesn't say on the card though. Let's see who you got. The same thing. You like it? A newer one though.
I like it.
Yeah, I can also keep your old one, so you can match.
Yeah.
I can keep your old one.
Yeah.
Alright, don't forget to